Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got an awesome project. You remember back in, it's probably about a year ago, a little more, we did a pull-up bar out here and it worked really great. It was basically with lumber we had around the house and it worked great for about a year, and we decided to change it out. And we decided to change it out because I was getting irritated for mowing around it. I mean, we built it with a solid base to make sure it wouldn't tip over as the kids are using it. And it's just difficult to mow around. Let me just show you where it was. Right here is where it was. You can see like the rectangular outline. This is where we painted the bar for the new one, but so ignore that. But there was a rectangular outline. I would have to take the mower in, mow it, then weed whack around the inside, the outside, the bars going up. It was just a difficult thing to handle. So we decided to go ahead and plop 2 posts in the ground and make one more sturdy. We started by digging a couple post holes. Not the easiest thing in the world to do, but not too bad. There they are right there. And we dug those holes 32 inches deep. That's about frost depth here where we're at. We went ahead and started with a couple of 12-foot posts and some 6-foot long 3/4 inch black iron pipe. So we got us a couple of really long 4x4s treated. These are 12-foot. These cost about 7 bars of gold. Not really. They were only about $16, so price wasn't horrible. Still not great, but I'll take that. And we also bought some pipe, just regular natural gas type black pipe, and we went ahead and painted this up, primered and painted it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up 30 inches off the ground, or 30 inches into the ground on the bottom side. We're going to put our pole about 2 feet from the top, about right here, straight across. Sink those in. We may put a little arbor on top so it looks a little bit better. I don't know, we'll see, but we will definitely get these in the ground. Man, guys, it's great out here today. It's a late evening. Sun's going down over there. Doing a lot of digging. I got a little bit dug so far. Let me see if you can see that. One thing I wanted to remind everybody is make sure you call and get your utilities marked first, because you don't want that kind of trouble. I know I don't have any utilities in this area, so I know I'm good, but yeah, make sure you get that done. We basically just used the connectors of the pipe, the floor flanges on each side, and we painted everything before we put it up. We're probably going to give it another coat of paint just to make sure we keep the rust off, or at least down to a minimum on that thing. Like I said, we sunk those 32 inches into the ground, and we tamped back the dirt, tamped it really well. We didn't put concrete or anything. We have a very hard clay soil here, so once the water gets in around those, it's usually it's pretty sturdy. So to finish this off, we'll get some mulch, go ahead and mulch around these eventually. Then I'll be able to just whip the mower right around, get rid of that problem, and still have a solid, sturdy backyard pull-up bar for the workouts that go on forever back here. Well, hey guys, that's all we have for today. This is what we have been working on this week. A lot of other projects in the mix. We just got to make sure we get the camera out and record for those. That's probably the biggest problem. And we've also, do I have extra bags under my eyes this week? We have a new member of the family. This is Knox. Foxy Noxy. Noxy. He's our new puppy. Hey, well, that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. More projects to come. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and we will see you next time.